Are you looking to start a digital product business in 2024 but do not know where to start? If so, in this video, I'll be sharing with you a full step-by-step tutorial on how to do just that. Let's dive in. So for step number one on how to start a digital product business is you're gonna wanna choose your niche. This tutorial, I'll be using fitness as my niche. Now let's move on to step number two. Now for step number two, you wanna choose which digital product format you're gonna be going with. That could be a PDF ebook, PLR products, courses, etc. Now for this tutorial, I'll be using a PDF ebook. So for step number three, now it's time to create your digital product. Now to create my ebooks, I use designer.io. Designer is the ultimate platform to create ebooks and lead magnets. So for step number four, it's gonna be to create your online store. For this tutorial, I'll be using Stan.store. Now Stan is an amazing platform to sell your courses, digital products, all that stuff. It's not just your average link in bio, right? So now that you got your store up and running, you got your digital products up and ready to go. Now we're gonna move on to step number five. So for step number five, you wanna create some short form content, and you can leverage a platform like Video.io to create these videos. Now what's cool is that you can create videos using text prompts, okay, leveraging artificial intelligence. Now that pretty much wraps things up for this video. If you found value in this video, consider liking and subscribing and hitting that notification bell. That way you don't miss out on any future videos.